AISP Stock Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. Airship AI Holdings has been sitting at $6.25 and it is 8-9% down. Just observing this, I want to take things up, of course, but for context, you know, like if the price gives me the rules, then and only then I'll buy. I mean, I've done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years and I've spent thousands of dollars on course cement chips. And man, I'm telling you, if I don't see this double break, then I like literally would just knock here. And I'm telling you, like, whether it's going to be at 15, yeah, I would definitely prefer a 15 minute out of like compared to everything else. But if I see that 15-minute double break, then and only then I'll buy. If I don't, who cares? So that's how AISP looks like. Yeah, so let me know what is your opinion on AISP. In the meantime, all I'll keep doing is obviously I'm waiting for my rules to be met. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. I'm very curious to see if I got this thing here